Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join the Brick Bronze group. First, you will need to log into your Roblox account, which you can do on any platform, whether it's a computer or a mobile device. Once logged in, locate the menu, usually on the left side, and select the Groups tab. From there, you will find a search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Brick Bronze or the full group name to find it, then click the Join Group button. When joining, you will encounter two main types of groups, public and private. Public groups grant you immediate access once you click the Join button. However, private groups require an administrator to manually approve your request, which might take some time. Always check the group's About section for any specific rules or requirements before attempting to join. Many groups also provide unique benefits to their members, enhancing your overall experience. Being a member of a Roblox group, especially one like Brick Bronze, comes with several advantages. You can gain access to exclusive in-game items, special events, and unique content not available to non-members. It also provides a fantastic way to connect with a community of players who share your passion. For certain games, such as Project Bronze Forever, joining the associated group is a necessary step to even begin playing the game and enjoying its features. To ensure a smooth joining process, always make sure your Roblox account is active and verified. If you are attempting to join a private group, take a moment to read their rules or description, as some may have specific entry criteria. Patience is key if you are awaiting approval from a private group administrator. Once you are a member, remember to engage respectfully and positively with the community to make the most of your group experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.